Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to create a full website under 10 minutes using the power of AI. Yes, you heard it right. Nowadays, you can create a full customizable websites or web apps using the power of AI. We're going to be walking you through the whole breakdown of how you can do that using Hostinger Horizon, which is their new AI tool that allows you to do so. And we're going to be walking you through how you can do that efficiently as well. As usual, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and feel free to check out our website, the link in the description down below, where you can see the tools that we use in our online journey, whether that be in SEO, content creation, social media management, all of that. The link will be in the description below, like I said. Without further ado, let's just start with our video. Before we jump in and start creating these websites, I just wanted to show you a couple examples of the websites that I created personally. This is one of them. It is a blog post about gluten-free recipes, and I'm planning to monetize that later on. So as you can see, it's just a beautiful website, beautiful structured website. We have recipes in here that I can add later on. We have, also a couple blog posts in here. We have the about us page, and we have the contact us page as well in here. And we have also a login page and a register page for users to use in order to actually log into our website, interact with the recipes that we put in here. They can review the recipes, leave comments, all of that good stuff. Like I said before, all of that was made using Hostinger Horizon, and yes, believe me, it did not take me more than 10 minutes to 15 minutes to create all of this. Now, the second project that I'm working on is this website. I have not finished it yet, but I'm planning to do so, which is a multi-save or downloader type of website. It's a tool website that can download videos from different platforms, social media platforms, the usual stuff that you see on the net. For example, if you want to download a video from TikTok, you will need a website like this to download the videos without a watermark or things of that sort. Okay, so this is the purpose of this website. It can download videos from TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, pretty much most of the social or popular social media that what, guys. It's still not functioning properly, but like I said before, you will need to do some tweaking and some good prompting in order to get your website functional. We're going to be showing you how to create these websites in a minute. For today's video, we are going for a website just like this, a font generator website. And some of you are questioning, why should we go with a website like this? I mean, this website is just so simple to create, first and foremost. And the second thing is that you can monetize this one easily with Google AdSense. And these websites do gain a lot of traffic on Google. Like if we go and see the monthly traffic of this website, as you can see, it pulls around 300,000 monthly visits to this website. And as you can see, it does not require that much to code or to create. So we're gonna be replicating or trying to actually replicate this website. All right, in order to actually create these websites, you need to have a Hostinger account. You need to purchase a hosting account on Hostinger. Once you do that, click on add website and click on Hostinger Horizon. Use AI to create web apps and tools and software. Click on that and it will take you to the prompt page where you can put your prompt and start coding this website. We are not trying to put the prompt manually because we do have credits and those credits are limited. I do believe that you need to pay $10 for 50 credits, and if those credits do expire, then you need to pay extra 50, and as you go on, you need to pay for those credits. So we don't have to take chances, so we need to use ChatGPT in order to get the best prompts possible. So let's just head to ChatGPT. I told it I want to create a similar website to I give it the link of the website using Hostinger Horizon, no code AI tool, and I need a fully descriptive prompt for that. But first, you need to analyze the website and assess the website, see how it's functioning, give me a prompt with a better UI, UX, and make sure to detail all of that in paragraphs. So let's just hit enter with the prompt and let's just get going. As you can see, it did analyze the website in here, see in the weak points of the UI and the UX. As you can see, I did not really like the UI and the UX of this website. That's why I mentioned that we need a better UI UX for our website, and it came back with this prompt. So it says create a stylish responsive font generator web app, and it gave us the whole rundown of what the Horizon AI should do. So let's just copy all of this and paste it in Hostinger Horizon. So let's just go back and paste it in here. Once we do that, click enter, and you should see the prompt in here. And as you can see, the Hostinger Horizon AI will start coding your website. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for the AI to do its job and finish coding your website. As you can see, guys, now the AI have created our website. If we click preview to preview our website, it should be looking like this. It is super good. The UI is just super slick, and I do truly like it. I truly like it. If we just say, for example, put in our name, see if the input is correctly functioning. As you can see, the output is also functioning well, and we have multiple fonts in here. As you can see, not as much, not as the 100 that we promised or that we have in here, but we need to add that later on. If we click copy, we can copy that. If we can hard that, we can bookmark that. So most of the UI is responsive, and it is actually functioning well. We have also a color picker in here, which is nice. We can add a background to the text. We can see our history as well. So this is actually a good website. So if we want to expand on it, we'll just go back to ChatGPT and tell it that we need more stuff to it. So I went back to ChatGPT and I've told it we need more fonts, and I need some Arabic fonts as well on our website, because I've noticed a pattern that a lot of people are looking for some Arabic fonts when it comes to creating text. So I've told it to actually add that too, and we need to integrate an admin panel in order to access the back end of our website. So give it the prompt, or give it the order. Now it's creating the prompt for our Hostinger Horizon AI. All right, now it did generate our prompts, but it was in bullet points, so I told it to actually generate that one again, but in a paragraph format. So this is the second prompt, so we need to take it, click copy, and head back to Hostinger AI, put it in here, and click send. And yeah, let's just wait for it to finish. Now it is over, and supposedly it should add the changes that we have told it to do or add. If we scroll all the way down, it added a couple more fonts. Yes, I'm sure of that. This, for example, here was not here before. Added a couple styles. I don't know which language this is. Added this section with the emoji and symbols, and yeah, added some Arabic font styles too. But like I said, this is far from over. We need to at least hit that 100 font that we have in the subheading here, or we should change the subheading into something else. But that's besides the point. Like I said, you need to tweak it. You need to actually go back and forth between ChatGPT, tell it what to do, give you the prompt, then go back to Hostinger Horizon until you are satisfied with the end product. But let's say, for example, that you have reached that point and you want to publish the website. So how you could do that? In here you have Superbase, which is or acts as a database. So all of your website database actually is stored into Superbase. So the first thing that you need to do is connect your account, your Hostinger account, to Superbase, and I do believe it's free. So go ahead to Superbase, create your free account. Then once you are in Superbase, log in, and you should have your projects in here. If you don't have a project, click on create a new project and give it a name. Let's just say, for example, that you want to create this font generator type thing. So as you can see, no, I cannot create more than two. So yeah, I cannot create more than two. So create a new project in here. Once you do that, head back to Hostinger Horizon, to your website, and click connect, and click connect once more again. And just like that, Hostinger will connect your data, the website data, into Superbase, and now you can store your data. If you have some logins, if you have some user information, if you have some blog posts, all of that will be stored into Superbase. I do get it is not like the most ideal database that you can work with, but it does, it does actually get the job done. So let's just go to this database, for example, let it load. As you can see, it will be like this. It's not, like I said, ideal, but it will get the job done. Now that you have linked your website to Superbase, if you want to publish this website, all you need to do is just click publish up top, and you will publish your website. Though you will be using a temporary domain. So that's that. Let's just wait for it to publish the website, and voila, just like that, you have published your website. Like I said, you are using a temporary domain in here, and this should be your website that you created so far. Okay, like I said, you need to tweak it, you need to add more stuff in order to, make this functional. And if you want to actually connect a custom domain to this, all you need to do is just click on get domain, and it will be you will be redirected to hosting your domain. So if you have any domain in here, it will ask you to connect it. If you don't have it, then you need to actually go all the way back to the home page, copy a domain, then go back and connect it to your Hosting Horizon AI website. With that out of the way, like I said before, you can create multiple websites using Hosting AI. You don't need to know any coding language to do so. The only thing you need to do is just basically go to ChatGPT and give it the right prompt, and build your website from there, and that's that. So if you found this video helpful, kindly drop a like, comment down below. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me via my social media platforms. You have our Telegram, Instagram, and all of that. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one, and peace.